हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल इकिगाई बाय स्वाति। तो आज के वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ पी, डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ अ 4-year प्री-schooler and you'll see how it goes. So let me be very honest and truthful with you. एक महीने तक ये रूटीन हमारे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं था and I had to do something in order to get this routine rolling out. तो मैंने अपना केबल कनेक्शन हटवाया लास्ट मंथ एंड आफ्टर आई रिमूव द केबल कनेक्शन दिस इज़ वॉट वी हैव अचीव्ड सो फार. और frankly this is not what happens each and every day. The routine keeps changing, her choices keep changing, what she wants to do keep changing. So it's not something कि एवरी सिंगल डे यही होता है हमारे साथ हमारे घर पे. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव टेकन दिस वीडियो इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 3 to 4 days. So I have tried to almost show कि what I try to do, what sometimes she wants to do and what might कोई बात नहीं. तो what all happens if I let her or allow her to do whatever she wants. So this is only because obviously because there is no TV at our home. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and you'll see more of some great content lined up for you and I'm sure you'll love it. 7:30 in the morning and we are here to get some dose of sunshine. She has brought this ball and she's playing with it. Don't mind. You can clean them up. Nobody's on the road almost, and so we are all alone. So I'll let her have some sunshine, her and me both. So I'm running behind her. Come on, I can't run. Some active time, much needed. Oh. So we are back and she doesn't want to brush yet and we are going to read a book. So
there are many kinds of fairies and you will never see. Why? Because they are hidden. They don't like to come out. Where are they hiding? They are hiding in a plant or a nest or a tree.
some activity. So we are copying the toucan. Which bird is this?
Toucan.
After brushing we mostly do some activity together, and be it doing some homework or activity books or reading together. So she has already had a breakfast and she has taken bath also, and now she is sitting and taking out all the books from the cupboard and reading her own quiet time. And while I was having my own time, she decided to come beside me with the book and on her own and do her own thing. By 12 I get her ready for her online studies, and from 1 o'clock her study starts. Are you excited for the class? Do you like your ma'am?
Yeah.
Do you like studying online?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah. I love math.
You love math? By around 2 p.m. she is done with her online classes. So this is a setup for her online classes. So I have made 2 setups for her. Mostly she'll sit at this place for her half an hour to 45 minutes classes. She loves it here. Natural light. She'll mostly have her lunch between 12 to 1 before her classes start. If she didn't have by 1, she'll have after 2. And then if she wants to read some books, she'll go ahead with some reading. So she has opened the shelf and she'll directly picking books out of there. And she has all the books that she has read already piled up here. So she has already read all of this, and it's not read but looked through. So now this is the book. Something she has started doing just recently. On to next book. Yeah.
I like this book.
Yeah, this is the book you started reading when you were 1 year old. So this is one of your favorites. You like it? Yeah, lift the flap book. So it's nap time now, and before that I have to read this book for her. I really don't like this book, but she is insisting me to read this book for her. I said choose another book and she says no, I want to read this book. So bye bye, see ya. We're going to read this book and she's going to sleep for 1.5 hours to 2 hours probably. Probably she'll sleep. I'm not really sure. Yeah, क्या है? Bhutni. That is betal. Okay, see ya. So she has woke up after 1.5 hours of sleep and she's having some chocolate cookies from Unibic, and then we'll go out for a walk down our house just for some minutes, not far away. An evening walk. Yeah, run. I'm coming. Come on. Yay. Look at that. What do you want me to look at? The sky? Coming. So yeah, thinking to spend like 20 to 30 minutes outside and let her just run, talk, watch the dragonflies. She loves dragonflies. So half an hour for that and then we'll head back to home. Yay.
Dragonfly.
Where's the dragonfly? Can you find some dragonflies? Where is it? Where is it? She loves to chase dragonflies. Where is the dragonfly, baby? Can you see any dragonflies?
Yeah.
Yes, she got them.
Look at it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, behind you. I think the dragonfly is chasing you and not the other way around. Yeah. See? So this is all the milk that she drinks every day. Just 250 to 300 ml. No more than that. And I have added a pinch of turmeric, which is a secret ingredient. No sugar. Little bit of cornflakes and Bonvita. Because Bonvita has a strong chocolate flavor, the turmeric doesn't come through, so she doesn't mind it. And now again we do some activities, reading books, play puzzles, maybe rhyme time, anything that she wants, totally on her. And probably I'll also maybe make her sit down to do some homework, but it's completely child-led. I don't really force on her until the homework has piled up a lot. I mostly have open-ended toys for her, toys that teach more than one thing and not just some electronic toys that she can get fed up of really soon. So these are the toys like this one. It helps her learn about time, shapes, puzzles. Done.
Cookies.
Cookies. So she took 1 hour after the walk and she read all these books. She browsed all these books. All these books. All done? You read all these books?
Yeah. And I want more books.
I think around 15 to 20 books.
And I want more books. Let me, I will tell you.
She want more books. She want more books. More books. More books. She gets screen time as well, and it's not a hard and fast rule, but we try to limit the screen time as much as possible. When I'm not in the mood to do some activity or to play with her, she gets the screen time like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just 1 rhymes, 2 rhymes. We give her that kind of time limit or rhyme limit. So that's what we do, and that's how we have tried to set up a routine for her now. And so I'm going to make a video. My next video would be what are the changes I found after I removed the cable connection from my home, and how I have tried to understand what she needs without the interference of a TV at our home. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm sure you're going to love it. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And there's more coming on the way. And I hope you enjoy it, and I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you.